Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will guide you through the process withdrawing a large amount of money from Lloyds Bank of UK. Whether you need to cash out a big purchase or any other reason, I will show you the best way to do it without running into limits or issues, so stick around. Now, if you are trying to withdraw money, the first thing most people do is to head to an ATM, insert their card, and take out the cash. However, the problem is that Lloyds Bank, like most banks, has daily withdrawal limit on ATMs. Usually, this limit is set around €500 to €1,500, depending on your account type. If you need more than that, you will need to follow the alternative methods, and that's exactly what I will explain. First method is to open your browser and search for Lloyds Bank's UK customer support number. Visit their official website and find the correct number for your region. Call the number and speak to representative. Request a temporary limit increase on your withdrawals. Once approved, you can withdraw the higher amount from an ATM or inside the bank. Second method is to find your nearest Lloyds Bank branch using Google Maps or the bank's website. Go there with your bank card and valid photo ID. Request withdrawal form from a teller. Fill in the required details, including the amount you wish to withdraw. Submit the form and wait for approval. Once approved, the bank will provide you with the cash or arrange a bank transfer if necessary. And that's it. This method is the most secured and ensures that you get your money without any ATM limits. And if this method works, then please leave a comments for helping to others. If you found video this helpful, then thanks for watching.